Hello and welcome to the official Cricket Carts YouTube channel. I'm Noah, and today I'd like to show you our Cricket Cart seatbelts. Now, the Cricket Cart seatbelt is an optional feature that you can purchase for any of our carts. And now, I'd like to show you how simple it is to install and use. To begin, remove the handrails on the side of the cart. Then, when undone, place the thumb screw through the hole in the metal bracket. Make sure that it is screwed down tight, and then repeat this on the opposite side. When ready, loosen the seatbelt so that it can properly clip around your waist. Connect both ends, and then pull tight to ensure that it has a snug fit. And with that, your seatbelt is installed. To learn more or to find a Cricket Cart dealer near you, check us out at cricketcarts.com. Like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.